Let's check out a new HandyPress accessory and see why it's worth adding to your setup. This is the HandyPress Portable Base, and it lets you move your HandyPress easily, saving valuable workspace and eliminating the need to drill permanent holes into your workbench. Instead, just attach your HandyPress to the solid maple base that includes what you see here. Attach the press with hex bolts, screw in the webbing strap to the bottom, buckle it up, grab the handle, and now you can move your press around your shop, take it on site, or stow it away until you need it again. And portability is great, but what about performance? Not much changes. Since the press mounts towards the back of the base, it won't tip forward under pressure. The base's weight, size, and rubber feet help absorb vibration and keep it feeling stable during use. While it's not compatible with the HandyPress sliding rail system, it is fully compatible with all other HandyPress accessories. So if you want the flexibility to move your HandyPress, avoid drilling into your work surface, and easily stow it away, the portable base is a great solution. It's available now at Sailrite.com.